Hey there, welcome to Biz Intelligence. In this video, I'm gonna show you two ways to implement Excel-like trim function in Power Query. So it can be in Excel or Power BI. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. I already have loaded employee data in Power Query where I have address field, and in address field there are few cell values where I have unwanted spaces, leading and trailing spaces as well. There are few more cells where I have paragraphs as well. So we have one option under transform tab which is trim. Let's see whether that resolves this issue or not. So I will right click on this address field, go to transform and click on trim, and I see it removes leading and trailing spaces, but it fails to remove unwanted spaces between two words. So trim function does not help us in this case. Now let's see, there is one more option called clean, and that would help us to remove paragraphs we have in cell value. So I will use clean, and yes, that does remove paragraphs, but it does not remove unwanted spaces between two words. In that case, what you can do is you can go to transform and click on replace values, and here you can use find value as double space character and replace it with space. Now this will also not help in cases where we don't have only double space but we have multiple spaces, where we have 3, 4 or 5, 10 spaces between two words. But then in that case you will have to keep performing this replace value operation again and again till the time we have only one space in two words. So this is also not helpful. So we are gonna create a custom function, and I'm going to share two different codes which we will use to create custom function to remove this unwanted space. I will also leave those two different codes in the description box of this video, and I will also share the link of blog post which you can refer further for detailed explanation. For now, let me go and delete these two steps we just applied. Right click on trim text and select delete until end to delete everything from that step. Now let's go to home tab and click on new source and select blank query. Let's go to home, advanced editor. Let's clear everything, delete everything. I already have that code ready in notepad, so I will go and take that code. What does this code do is it takes an input field where we want to perform trim operation, and it replaces all the double spaces with the single space. But it also checks whether there are furthermore instances of double spaces in the text. If there are, then it will again call this Excel trim function itself, and it will keep performing this activity of text.replace unless we have only one space between two words. Now this Excel trim function is calling itself inside this function. This is called recursive function. Now once all the unwanted spaces are removed, it will again go and trim that text, which will remove leading and trailing spaces, and then it will return us the value. Let's click on done to create this custom function. Let's go here under name box and give a meaningful name to this function. Let's use fn as prefix for this function and call it trim all. Now let's go to this data tab and go to address field where we want to remove unwanted spaces. So I will go to add column and I will click on invoke custom function. So here you need to provide the name of the new column that we are gonna add. So let's call it address 2, and let's use function. We have only one function in this Power Query editor, which is trim all. Let's click on OK. Now here we need to provide one field which you want to use to remove unwanted spaces. In this case it is address, and then click on OK. Now it will add new field where all the unwanted spaces are removed. So this is one code that you can use. Let's see another code we have. I will again go to home tab. I will go to new source and click on blank query again, and let's go to advanced editor, clean and delete everything we have here. I will take that code which is already available in notepad. Now here what does this function do is it takes two arguments as input. First is text where we want to delete or remove unwanted space, and another input value is char that we want to trim. If we does not provide value for that, it will take space as default character to be removed. Now here it again go and split text by the given character. If the character is not provided, then it will split the text by space and it will remove the unwanted spaces. Now let's click on done and rename this function as fn underscore trim all to. Press enter. Let's go to data tab again and go to address field which we want to use to remove unwanted spaces. Go to add column, click on invoke custom function. Let's give a name address 3. For custom function is trim all to and click on OK. Before that, make sure you provide a field which you want to use to remove space, which is address as a text, and you can keep this blank where we want to provide the character to be removed. So as this is an optional argument, you can leave it blank. Then click on OK and it will add new field where all the unwanted spaces are removed. Now the only concern is paragraph. For that we can use simple clean operation. Go to transform and click on clean. This is how you can create custom function and implement Excel like trim function in Power Query. If you are new on our channel, then subscribe us and visit our channel to watch more such videos. Do not forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.